Something Deeper Ministries was born out of the idea that throwing money at a problem or putting a Band-Aid on a problem is not the solution, that we need to do something deeper in a community. Aid work has its place, but Something Deeper Ministries strives to be a holistic approach in serving a community and a country. We desire to improve healthcare, which is a basic need. When people are sick, they are not able to serve their families or go to school. And so if Something Deeper Ministries can offer improved healthcare, then people will be healthy and be able to serve their own families and their own communities. We also work with education, and we strive to improve the teaching standards in the community, and we train teachers. Something Deeper Ministries works with pastors, lay leaders, and community members, working on good Bible practices, reading the scriptures, Bible studies, and good theology.
The Hope and Healing Center was created out of a dire need for health care. My name is Isaac Mobezi. I am a general surgeon by training, and I am one of the directors of Something Deeper Ministries, Uganda, but as well I am a chief executive officer of the Hope and Healing Center. We came up with the Hope and Healing Center to provide efficient surgical care, which is most needed in this region, and maternal care in the region. It is our policy as Hope and Healing Center that whenever a patient comes, they need to be checked out. They need to be seen by a qualified personnel. They need to be looked at is important. By the mere fact that somebody has left their home, then they need. So we make sure that there's a doctor at any time the hospital is open, and that is unique with us.
HHC, Hope and Healing Center, is patient-centered. It is patient-centered. The decision-making, the policies that are developed here are informed by the needs of the patients in this community. And so we see that at HHC, things are more affordable. The staff is more approachable, so the patients are more comfortable when they walk into these premises. And I think that's really unique about HHC.
The other thing unique with the Hope and Healing Center is the customer care. We believe that every human being gets sick, and health care is a basic need. And so we take people as human, because at one time I am the doctor seeing you, but at another time I might be the patient.
We pray with our patients. It's so unique. You cannot find it like just anywhere.
Something Deeper Ministries strives to be sustainable in what we do and culturally relevant to the community we serve. So we have a sustainability garden. We're demonstrating good farming practices. That way they can see what is happening and apply it to their own farms.
This farm project, you see that we've planted pineapples, we've planted the matoke, we've planted the cassava onto this ground. And the real essence of this farm is to subsidize on the health care of the hospital. And this farm has been so beneficial to the community in that it has employed a couple of people within the community, people to do with the pruning, harvesting, and planting, weeding, a number of activities that take on the farm.
And when our patients come, it is it just makes me happy when they ask us how we've done it and how they can duplicate that in their own communities and in their own families. So we are teaching them how to grow food, increase food security in the community.
Hope and Healing Center is different from other hospitals in Uganda because of our care for detail and our international standard of health care. Every patient is seen by a doctor, a trained medical professional. We have a pharmacy available, we have laboratory services available. Every patient is greeted with a smile. Every story we take the time. I love working at the Hope and Healing Center because we're in a rural setting and there is time to interact with the patients, to greet them, to ask them how their day was, how their children are doing. I love that about this community, that they care about each other. And so every patient who comes into the Hope and Healing Center is not just a number or a patient who comes and goes, but they become part of the family of who Something Deeper Ministries is.
The final message is just to thank our funders, to thank the people that have stood with us as SDM and as Hope and Healing Center. Surely you've done a tremendous work and we are very grateful. To the people that support us in every other way, thank you so much. We believe that with what we are doing and with the developments that are coming in, we are surely going to soar to the higher heights. And we only pray that we can maintain and even become better in what we are doing. Thank you.